weekend today.
Thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday, January 29th. I'm Katrina Smith. We'll get to those stories in just a moment. First, starting out cold this morning, meteorologist Eric Gage, though, tracking a warm-up in the temperatures as we move throughout the day, yeah?
Yes, that's right. And warm relatively. I know
it's not summer temperatures.
Yeah, not summer temperatures, but it's warmer, I should say. But for today, we are tracking a mixture of rain and snow, more on the rain side for most of us. However, those of you in the North Country seeing more of the snow. And in fact, taking a look at your Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, breaking down what's going on right now. We have warmer air moving over a area of cold air near the surface in our area. What this means is this leading edge, especially in the Utica-Rome area, can cause freezing rain. At this point, though, we still have enough dry air near the surface that a lot of this is not reaching the ground, as according to some of the people that are reporting in weather at this point. So at this point, still looking dry, but looking out towards the west, rain showers will continue to arrive, and still, once again, snow will continue in the North Country. So our headlines for today: the North Country will see a mixture of rain and snow depending on elevation. In the Mohawk Valley, mostly rain for today with a possibility of that freezing rain at the leading edge, as just mentioned. In the Southern Valley, looking at mostly rain showers with, once again, those higher elevations, possibly seeing the snow showers, especially early on. Those temperatures warm up throughout the day into the mid to upper 30s, so those snow showers for most of us will come to an end. However, we are tracking a more chilly end to the week this week. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you so much, Eric. 6 people are dead.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good Sunday morning and welcome back. Today we are talking about a mildly unsettled day for weather in store for us today, with some mixture of rain showers for most of us and some snow showers for those of you north of the Mohawk Valley. Let's take a live look outside. Our Caviar Tower camera is currently shaking a little bit. We got some wind gusts up here on the hill this morning. And taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, more rain and snow is becoming more widespread, but a lot of dry air near the surface means a lot of this is not reaching the ground. But in terms of precipitation type, right now, Old Forge, Boonville, Trenton, Stratford, you'll be seeing, at least at this point, on the cold side, more snow than a mixture. However, for those of you in some areas of the Mohawk Valley, actually further out towards west, Vienna, Rome, Utica, as well as German Flats, this could fall as freezing rain. We still have warm air above the freezing air near the surface. This means that if rain does fall, it will freeze on surfaces. Now, the good news, at least at this point, is things are still looking relatively dry. Now, Southern Valleys still are below freezing, so Hamilton, Sherburne, Norwich, Oneonta, as soon as it starts pushing through, could be seeing additional light flurries before this starts to turn to rain by the afternoon. Now, what to wear for today? Grab that rain jacket, or the more of the winter jacket, I should say, along with the snow boots too. Some freezing icy spots on untreated surfaces this morning. Along with that, grab an umbrella too, because those temperatures will start to warm up above freezing by the mid-30s by the afternoon. So we're seeing some more rain showers. And along with that, too, our snowfall forecast trending on the lighter side. Now, we do have 3 inches or more in the Tug Hill area. This will be still on the lighter side. Things still looking relatively dry this morning. Generally 1 to 3 inches on the lighter side for those of you north of the Mohawk Valley, Boonville, Old Forge, and the Mohawk Valley and south still both in the leading edge, and then as this system departs, we'll start to cool down once more, so still could see flurries at the end of this. But most of us will be seeing more rain showers for today. So the bigger picture right now, we are along a stationary front moving across the area, and we are bordering the warm air, which is relatively warm, and the cooler air just north of us. Now, we're on the warm side, meaning that this will gradually turn to rain as temperatures will warm up into the mid-30s to upper 30s by the afternoon. So our skycast for this morning, still the leading edge, producing some light flurries and light sprinkles. As you head into this afternoon, the rain and snow becomes a little bit more heavy. Now, it's not going to look to be a completely all-day event. As you head into 5 p.m., this gradually tapers off, still looking at a few lingering light sprinkles and flurries. Then this front pushes through, seeing that brief round of light snow. By 6 a.m. tomorrow, things are looking dry. Temperatures still chilly in the lower 20s. And for the most part tomorrow, still looking at spotty snow showers here and there. Not looking to be too much of an impact for your morning or evening commute tomorrow. So still looking at relatively active weather, but more on the quiet side in terms of snowfall for the next couple of days. So for today, high of 38 degrees, a mixture of rain and snow. Tonight, a low of 21, drying up a little bit. Our 7-day forecast, spotty snow showers heading into Monday and Tuesday. Take a look at the temperatures heading to the end of the week. Thursday, Groundhog's Day, he's forecasting more chilly temperatures. Friday, 13, -5 for Friday night, and finally a high of 8 degrees for Saturday. So it's definitely trending very chilly. And our trivia question, there is possibly a mysterious planet X at the far edge of our solar system. Just how big is it estimated to be?
No idea. Our director says B2X, but I'm going to say C5 times.
It is.
Whoa.
It is crazy. It is 10 times. Now, this is actually a good read for those of you who are interested in astronomy. This is still a mysterious thing. They're watching orbits of planets, and things are not adding up, and they're trying to figure out what it is. And they assume that there's a giant planet out there that we just haven't found yet.
Just didn't notice it before, right?
it's just a giant planet, and we just haven't.
Just 10
it's
times
just
the
invisible.
size of Earth.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That is interesting. Thank you so much, Eric. Well, Buffalo Bills player Damar Hamlin. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith, and it's starting out chilly this morning, but it's warming up. Meteorologist Eric Gage is over in the Weather Center, and there's a little bit of everything on the Doppler radar, it looks like. Lots of colors there.
Yeah, it looks really colorful. We've got a mixture of some rain, freezing rain. The radar's picking up sleet as well as snow. Now, a lot of this is not reaching the ground at this point, so for the most part, we're not too concerned about this. Let's take a live look at your Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Once again, still pretty much everything but the kitchen sink on the radar right now. We've got the purple, which is sleet, pink, which is freezing rain, blue, which is snow, and then green, which is rain at this point. And you can see the leading edge of this warm air is running into cooler air. You see the line right here. So near the surface, we've got temperatures below freezing, and above the surface, we have temperatures above freezing, causing the possibility of freezing rain. Now, at this point, still, we have no reports of any heavier precipitation at this point. So our weather headlines for today, once again, rain and snow depending on elevation. If you are in the North Country, if you're in the Mohawk Valley, looking at mostly rain with a possibility still once again to that freezing rain on the leading edge. And along with that too, Southern Valleys looking at majority rain showers for tonight. Now, for today, it's starting out chilly. It's going to be warming up into the mid to upper 30s by the afternoon. But after this, as we head into the middle of or the end of next week, chilly temperatures possibly sub-zero. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you so much, Eric.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are tracking some snow showers to the north, a mixture of rain and snow in the Mohawk Valley, following as freezing rain, and Southern Valley still looking at some snow showers. However, a lot of this is not reaching the ground. Let's take a live look outside. The City of the Hills, brought to you by Mountain Ice Pain Relief Gel. At this point, still this morning, things are still looking quiet. However, taking a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, anything but, and we're still seeing a mixture of rain and snow. Talking about snow in the North Country right now, Old Forge, Boonville, Trenton, Stratford. If this precipitation does fall, looking to fall as snow. In the Mohawk Valley, because warm air is moving over cooler air near the surface, looking at a mixture of freezing rain as well as possibility of sleet in Rome, Vienna, German Flats, possibly even Paris as well. Southern Valley still looking at mainly snow. However, as temperatures gradually warm up throughout the day, this will start to turn to more on the rainy side. Now, at this point, temperatures are starting to get above freezing. 33 degrees checking in New Hartford, 29 in Mohawk, 30 in Clinton, 30 degrees in Westdale. Southern Valley's temperatures still creeping slightly near freezing, 35 degrees in Hardwick and 31 degrees in Cooperstown. And because of these temperatures, the snowfall today will largely be north of the Mohawk Valley. Generally 1 to 3 inches for those of you north of the Mohawk Valley in Boonville as well as Old Forge. Tug Hill will be the area seeing the highest accumulations with 3 or more inches of snowfall at this point. Still trending on the lighter side as a lot of this dry air is preventing a lot of the snow and rain from reaching the ground. And then after this front moves through, looking at trace to 1 inch of accumulation for areas in the Mohawk Valley and south, and this will continue at least until tonight. So the bigger picture right now, radar and satellite is showing a broad stationary front with cool air north of us, and we are on the relatively warm side, which means that as throughout the day, warmer air will bring temperatures above freezing, making most of the area experience rain showers compared to snow. However, this is one exception will be for the higher elevations in the North Country, especially Tug Hill and the higher elevations near Old Forge and inland. So for today, still looking at this leading edge producing some brief light snow flurries and sprinkles. By noon today, still looking at some rain showers out towards the west. This will begin to push through throughout the afternoon. Take a look at those temperatures in the Mohawk Valley in the upper 30s. So warming up a little bit for today, though. However, some wind speeds will make it feel a little bit more chilly. By 5 p.m., this will start to weaken and move its way through the area. This leading edge, well, the trailing edge, I should say, will start to fall as snow briefly. That's where we get those trace amounts of snow tonight. And then those cooler temperatures will arrive with winds across the Mohawk Valley gusting possibly upwards of 15 miles per hour. And along with that, too, chilly temperatures for your early morning hours tomorrow. Looking at tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, your morning and evening commute still looking relatively unaffected. Still could see a few lingering spotty snow showers for the afternoon as well as the evening. And this pushes through once again overnight into 11 p.m. for Monday night. So for today, high of 38 degrees, a mixture of rain and snow. Tonight, cooling down into the lower 20s, drying up. And their 7-day forecast returning to spotty snow showers for Monday as well as Tuesday, drying up once again for Wednesday, mostly cloudy for Groundhog's Day on Thursday. And then Friday, bring on the chilly weather, temperatures in the teens, overnight lows below zero, and then the high for Saturday in the single digits. And our final trivia question of the weekend, what is 2023 in Roman numerals?
Oh, okay, so I know the XXII, so it's got to have like an XXIII. Oh, it's got to be A, right?
Yes, it is A, and I didn't edit the answer for this, so it is A, but I'm going to press it to be some
The
other
M's are going to be the thousands, right? So it's
yeah, so it's
1, 2 thousands, then the X's are the tens.
Yes,
10,
1,
20.
2. And then the I's are the ones. So
yeah.
I'm slowly learning my Roman numerals.
You have to really think about it when
know.
you're trying to do this. I didn't know what the M's were, but I knew the X's and the I's. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to look at your choices and narrow it down from there. But yeah, interesting. You know, we all should know how to do this, right?
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much, Eric. And the harried house.
Hours in the area. Let's head over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Ben. Yeah, those snow showers are coming to an end as temperatures will start to decrease tonight. Taking a live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, top of the radar. Still a few lingering light spotty flurries in our area. Slowly coming to an end tonight. Things will dry out for your morning commute tomorrow. And the big story for the next several days, starting out with temperatures for tonight, already down into the 30s, the lower 30s, 33 degrees in Whitesboro, 32 in Inlet, 32 in Richfield Springs, and at 34 degrees in Earlville. But take a look at our next 5 days in terms of temperatures. 31, 23, and to 25, warming up into 30 by Thursday. But Friday, 13 degrees, cooling down even possibly below zero as an Arctic wave moves into our area. So although winter has been still slightly postponed, we're going to be seeing some chilly temperatures arriving by the end of this week. Now for tonight, though, quiet conditions, temperatures cooling down into the lower 20s, drying out throughout the area. Tomorrow, looking at spotty snow showers, especially in the evening. Look at how much to expect coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Utica police have arrested a man after...
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Wrapping up this weekend with a few lingering light flurries in the area as a cold front pushes through, bringing temperatures tonight down into the mid to lower 20s. Let's take a live look outside. Our Utica National Insurance Group camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown. Because we were above freezing today with some rain showers, or falling below freezing tonight, be careful of some icy spots on untreated surfaces tonight. Although main roads are treated, you should be fine. Taking a live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, top of the radar. Once again, still looking at a few lingering light flurries in the area. This will come to an end and push their way to the southeast. For your morning commute tomorrow, things are looking dry and, in fact, breaking all down around the clock for tomorrow. Temperatures starting out in the lower to mid 20s, only warming up into the mid 20s to almost lower 30s by the afternoon. Still lingering with some clouds throughout the day, and along with that too, looking at some light snow showers arriving for the evening. Now, this won't be looking to cause any travel issues for tomorrow, but still, just some light snow showers to keep an eye out for as we head into tomorrow evening. So the morning commute, fine. As we head into tomorrow evening, snow showers begin to arrive. Searching for sunshine over the next couple of days. Overcast skies are very likely for tomorrow. Clouds will continue to linger on. As we head into Tuesday, clouds become more isolated as a lake effect snow band will begin to develop just on the Oneida County and Madison County border. Those of you in the North Country could see some sunshine on Tuesday evening. Wednesday, looking at the highest chance of seeing some sunshine. However, this is exact opposite with lake effect for the North Country. You can be seeing more cloud cover, and this will linger on into Thursday before clouds begin to arrive Thursday evening ahead of some snow showers. For if you're one of those amateur astronomers wanting to see the comet, the best bet might be Wednesday night and into early Thursday morning. Along with that too, our precipitation outlook for the next several days, the highest chance of seeing some snow showers looks to be tomorrow. However, we're not expecting a lot of accumulation. A thin snow band producing roughly 2 to 4 inches of snow will be once again still north or south of the Oneida County, Madison County border for Tuesday. Looking at some lingering late snow showers for Wednesday in the North Country from lake effect as well, and then things are looking more relatively dry for Thursday as snow showers begin to arrive Thursday night. So our snowfall forecast for tomorrow night into Tuesday morning, trace to 2 inches for most of us, and then this one snow band developing. This could shift slightly north or south. We haven't pinpointed the exact location just yet, but still, if you're in the snow band, you could be seeing roughly 2 to 4 inches of snow. And in fact, our timing for this as we head into tomorrow, still things are looking dry in the morning, temperatures in the 20s, warming up into the upper 20s to lower 30s by the afternoon, and still looking at spotty snow showers throughout the day, but as we head into Tuesday morning, the lake effect band looks to develop. So for tonight, a low of 24 degrees, drying up, and then tomorrow, looking at a high of 31 with not rain and snow, looking at light snow showers. Got to correct that a little bit. Our 7-day forecast turning to more sunshine for Wednesday, late snow showers on Thursday. Chilly temperatures at Friday and Saturday after Groundhog's Day, down possibly below zero Friday night. Ben?
Thank you very much, Eric. Coming up next, Tal Hansen at the sports station.